Oh my god, Ava, I cannot wait for your new video. Girl.
I know, right? Oh, hi, little Elise. I didn't see you there.
Yep, she didn't see
But
you
today, we are going to be doing something important, okay, you guys? Right now, we're going to be doing slime. And if your favorite insect is bees, comment down below, and it's your lucky day. You know what I'm talking about, y'all. A to the O to the N to the E to the Y to the G, it's Honey G. Anyways, let's get started. So we have this like little thing. It's called Honeybee Slimy, Craze Slimy. You could get it from Target. So you should probably get it from Target. So yeah. Anyways, and then they just fell right out, you guys. Okay, let's just open this. Oh my gosh, man. Oh, it's bubbly. So satisfying, you guys. Okay, let's just take this out, okay? So I'm going to be using kid-friendly scissors, and we use adult supervisor to help you open, like, stuff. But you guys didn't think we're going to we're just going to add these stuff. We're not going to make it be plain. We're going to have this. But make sure you have adult supervisor, yeah. Anyways, let's open these. Let's open from this side, you guys, not like that. It's just spill everywhere. So yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So if you guys like this one, comment. Oh my gosh, you guys, I did not do properly. Don't be like me. Oh no, I'm suing you, Target. Oh, okay, good. Oh yeah, you guys, look at this. I feel like I'm doing pizza, you guys. I feel like I'm Ratatouille right now. Ew, look at this slimy thing, you guys. But anyways, you guys, it looks very... What is wrong with this, you guys? I'm so confused. But anyways, yes, look at this. Okay. Do you think we should add the next one? Yeah, let's add the next one, you guys. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be so just, okay, you guys. Let's add them. Look at this, you guys. It's sounding really good, you guys. This looks like actual honey, but just slime. Okay, let's add the little guys. I don't know how to add them, but just let's add them. Just put them in there, you guys. If you have one of this, just put them inside of it. I don't know how, but I'm just putting them inside. Yeah. It's really hard to get them in there. Where's Steve? Oh yeah, here he is. Here's Steve. Man, if they only had a queen bee. Bye-bye, Steve. Okay, guys. The final result. And this is the final result. Comment down below if you like, it's a 10 out of 10, blah, blah, blah. But anyways, I will look at your comments and I'll probably, like, invite you. Probably, who knows. But yeah, I'll probably invite you to my house to do a YouTube video. But yeah, if you're wondering if like have my old profile and I was like 8 or 7, but I'm 9, you guys. It's not my fault I had to go to school and do homework. Yeah. All of that, you guys. But why can I go to school, have fun? It's going to be fun, they say. It's going to have fun and all of that. It's just homework, you guys. Okay? I'm going to be honest. Anyways, you guys, like and subscribe to my video. I hope you like this video, and you're my little ulalis. And okay, guys, it's my first day, okay? Don't laugh at me. It's my first day. Not my first day, but like a first day, like trying it out again. Yeah, but yeah. Bye. And like and subscribe.
And go follow my YouTube account, Alexa.